So now North Carolina's flooding. It's going to be a rough summer.
What is that?
Oh my god. Oh.
What is that?
Oh no, this is not good, man. This is not good. Look, dude, those people in that house right there. Oh no, get out of there.
All right, peoples, we got severe flash flooding happening here in Orange County, North Carolina. This is the worst flooding I've seen in the Chapel Hill, Carrboro area. Anybody that tries to come out here and drive it tonight, please don't do it. Look at this. There's a waterfall where there shouldn't be one. This whole lot. This whole parking lot. It's just incredible river that's just going all the way down, man. There's multiple cars that have been stranded. After we just been getting dumped on here by the remains of Tropical Storm Chantal.
North Carolina, underwater. Today, July 7th, 2025. Flash floods ripped through towns with no warning. Streets turned to rivers, entire neighborhoods swallowed. And it all started with the remnants of one storm. Tropical Depression Chantal. In just hours, 4 to 10 inches of rain slammed central North Carolina, hitting hardest in Orange, Moore, and Chatham counties. Highways like I-40 and I-85, gone, submerged, cars stranded. Homes, flooded. People, trapped. Emergency crews were stretched thin. Over 50 water rescues. Families pulled from apartments. Children carried through waist-deep currents. Some were stuck on rooftops, waiting. In Moore County, Longleaf Dam gave out. A wall of water hit homes downstream. Entire retaining walls collapsed in Southern Pines. State of emergency declared. No.